zinc phosphating. So it has got light, medium and heavy types. Light has 100 to 400 milligram per square foot. Light has 100 to milligram per square foot. That means that is for 1 square foot it can deposit 100 to 400 milligram. Okay, and similarly medium is 450 milligram to 1000 milligram per square foot. It means that is we can coat that is a zinc phosphate of coating weight. Actually it is interpreted in terms of weight only. So 450 to 1000 milligram per square foot. Next, heavy. So heavy is intended generally for even greasing and that is waxing. So here or tubing also. So heavy 1000 to 3000 milligram per square foot. So with the increase of coating weight, actually it's the roughness, coating roughness will be more, and there will be a lot of porosity also. So if there is more porosity, that is not good for corrosion resistance. So but at the same time it can absorb the oil and waxes, and for that purpose that is a heavy coating is recommended. And for corrosion resistance, by painting either by liquid paint or powder painting, you can go for that is light to medium. Okay, right. And now let us focus on iron phosphating. Iron phosphating actually is very thin coating. Okay, so it is amorphous. Amorphous means that is non-crystalline. It is not crystalline, right? And it is almost virtually it is invisible. You cannot find so clearly the coating formation, even though the color may be uniform iridescent blue, we used to say, or bluish gray. And then the coating weight ranges from 30 to 100 milligram per square foot. So normally in terms of gram means 0.3 to 1 gram per square meter. Okay, then paint adhesion is improved with the help of this iron phosphate coating. So what you do is, if you have got any component, and let me consider this component. So we have got the component here. Okay, so first you have to clean it properly, and after ensuring oil free, dust free, rust free surface, okay, then you can give a coating of iron phosphating. So if it is mildly coated, then you can give in fact that is a furniture enamels, furniture paints are given on that is a lightweight iron phosphate coatings. Okay, so that is recommended. But if you insist for salt spray with the better salt spray resistance, that is corrosion resistance with better salt spray resistance, usually salt spray is the testing parameter that is useful for measuring the extent of corrosion resistance. Okay, so we used to give in terms of salt spray hours, salt spray resistant hours, according to ASTM B170. So here that is normally that is for certain components, probably that is they may insist for 100 or 200 hours, and in some cases 400 hours, in some cases 600 to 800 hours. In cases of tractors and other heavy weight equipments and machineries and automobiles, they may even go for 1000 hours of salt spray. Okay, so based on the type and nature of coating, that is the corrosion resistance can be enhanced. Okay, right. Now the paint adhesion can be improved with the help of this iron phosphate undercoat. Then you can when I say paint adhesion, adhesion of liquid paint as well as powder coating. Okay, then as I already mentioned, corrosion resistance. So it should be rust proof. That is, the rust should not be developed after painting. You know, that is sometimes after all, that is a painting is done for maintenance purposes and a decorative purpose. Aesthetic value is there. At the same time, it should have some decorative purpose as well as the protective purpose. Okay, right. Then the substrate generally for iron phosphating can be mild steel. Okay, then uniform blue to bluish gray color is obtained by this kind of iron phosphating. Okay, right. Then where you have to that is treat these components, you can have stainless steel bath where you can dip, and spray phosphating formulations are also available. In case of immersion, that is you have to you should have some good stainless steel bath. And then spray or dip, as I already told you, the method of applications can be spray or dip. Okay.